Out this weekend, being a bank holiday, of course, this forecast may disappoint you. Certainly proving to be a wet and windy end to the week. I think the wind will be probably the main feature in the southern half of England through the afternoon. Some stormy weather. We're forecasting severe gales out to sea and land gales, very unusual at this time of year. 60-mile-an-hour gusts of wind will bring down a few twigs and branches. And as it is a bank holiday weekend, lots of people heading to the roads, of course, with those heavy, squally showers around. It means some pretty atrocious conditions on the roads. To start the afternoon, the windiest weather's likely across the southwest of England. By the end of the afternoon, early evening, across the southeast of England and the eastern channel, so some rough crossings here. And it's also going to be pretty wet if you're heading further north, across northern England into southern Scotland. The rain's taking shape now. Not the whole story here either, because there's a lot of fog over the hills. And look at this swathe of heavy rain that's got to come back in across England and Wales, with some heavy showers in between. And that's not all, because that's today's rain, and this here is taking shape. That's tomorrow's rain, so a pretty unsettled picture for all of us through the rest of the afternoon. Perhaps a little drier in western parts of Northern Ireland and the Northern Isles, but with a cold wind here. Winter's with us. Could even be a little bit of sleet and snow over the hills in the far north, but for most of us, temperature's fairly academic because of all that wind around the cloud and the showers or rain. Now, through the evening and overnight, the strongest winds will start to pick up, I think, across East Anglia and Lincolnshire and North East England, quite lively for a time. But as that low moves out to the North Sea, at least it'll take the rain away for a time, except from the North East. Here, that rain has been falling since about the beginning of this week, so we could have some further flood problems here. Little mist and fog elsewhere, but by the end of the night, the next rain will be knocking on the door of Ireland. So a fairly quiet start to the day, yes, but by the afternoon, more wet weather for southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland, western parts of England and Wales. Just the southeast and East Anglia, I think, staying dry and bright and pretty warm as well. For most of us, the wind and the rain will temper the feel. And that rain still with us on Sunday, so we could see as much as a couple of inches of rain over the hills in western parts through the course of Saturday and Sunday. To the north of that, I think there will be sunshine and showers, very unsettled. To the south, warm and dry, well, increasingly warm and dry, at least to start, but that sort of heat could trigger 1 or 2 thunderstorms by the end of Sunday. And then as we head through Sunday night and into Monday, eventually that weather system will start to push away into the near continent. But even behind then, it's going to be very unsettled, a lot of heavy showers around for Bank Holiday Monday. So all in all, it looks like the southeast will stay driest and warmest for longer, but for many of us, there is more rain to come, Anna.